Hi traders, in this video I am going to be showing you how to use the trade dashboard indicator. Okay, we are just going to be discussing the trade dashboard indicator very briefly. All right, now as you can see, this indicator is going for sale on the MQL5 marketplace. Whether you want the MT4 version or the MT5 version, you can see there is actually an MT5 version as well. Currently going for sale, this indicator $50 US, but you can rent it for $30 US for a month. Okay, however, I'm going to recommend using the free demo first. Okay, try out the free demo, just click on it, and then if you have your MetaTrader 4 platform already installed, you just click on this. All right, so that's going to lead you to where you try out the free demo. So if the free demo actually meets up to your expectations, then you can proceed to make the financial commitment. Okay, but I recommend that you try out the free demo first so you can see how the indicator functions. Right now, this is an indicator that helps you to manage your risk. As you can see, the risk management feature, and then it can also help you to see your stop loss and take profit entry level so easily. Right, you can see the trade lines, it visualizes your stop loss. You can visually set your stop loss, take profit, and entry levels and all of that. Right, and then you can see there is also the break even function, trailing stop loss. Great, if if you're a great trader, you can take advantage of this feature. Then there is the basket management, and so on and so forth. If you want to know more about all these in detail, you can just look at read this information directly on the MQL5 marketplace. Right, you can just follow the link in the description below, and then download the link that you find there. Sorry, I mean download the folder. Download the folder that you find there, and then navigate your way through from there. Right, so let us head into the image that we have here. Right, as you can see, this indicator helps you to quickly set very important informations for your trades. Right, if you want to modify your risk to reward ratio, you can see you can just quickly set the RR that you want, whether 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, or whatever, and you can see that it helps you to quickly bring that out. All right, and then for your take profit levels, your stop loss levels, and all of that, the indicator makes it quite easy to set all these things: your entry point, stop loss, take profit, your risk, percentage risk, and all of that. So this is quite an interesting indicator. If you are comfortable with it, you can try out the free demo first, and if that meets your expectations, then you can decide if you want to make the financial commitment. So this is it, guys. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.